Hi everyone, welcome back to Footer Talks. In previous session, we have discussed about properties of milk constant, and in this video is just continuation of it, and we will continue that and deal with the remaining portion. This is presented by me. If you have any doubts and suggestion, you can drop your comment below this video, or you can contact through this mail foodtechtalk123@gmail.com. So before going to the video, I want to tell you one thing, that we have created a Telegram channel exclusively for Food Safety Officer exam. If you want to join, you can join. The link has been given in the description box. So let's get begin. Here we would going to cover the following concept: physicochemical properties of milk such as acidity, pH, density, freezing point and boiling point. Then we have various platform tests such as Croton boiling test, methylene blue reduction test and alcohol test, etc. Then we will go through microbiology of milk, and finally we have some selected MCQs. Now let's see one by one. Freshly drawn milk is amphoteric in nature. Therefore it turns red litmus to blue and blue litmus to red. But it shows certain acidity by titration with alkali and phenolphthalein indicator. It's called titrable acidity or natural or apparent acidity. It is caused by the presence of casein, acid phosphate and citrate, etc. present in the milk. The titrable acidity of cow milk varies from 0.13 to 0.14%, whereas in buffalo milk 0.14 to 0.15%. And the acidity of milk can be expressed as percentage of lactic acid. Moving to the pH, the pH of cow milk is varied from 6.4 to 6.6, whereas in buffalo milk it is 6.7 to 6.8. The higher pH indicate the infection of udder, whereas lower pH indicate the bacterial action. Both acidity and pH varies with species, breed, individuality, stage of lactation and health of animal, etc. Going on further, density or specific gravity of milk can be varied with temperature. So it is usually measured at 60 degree Fahrenheit. It can be measured either by weight of non-volume or volume of non-weight. Density of cow milk can be varied from 1.028 to 1.30, whereas in buffalo milk it can be 1.030 to 1.032, and skim milk showing 1.035 to 1.037. Specific gravity of milk should not be determined for at least 1 hour after it's drawn, because it will show a lower value than that of normal value. This phenomenon is known as Recknagel phenomenon. Now we will see the freezing point of milk. Milk freezes at temperature slightly lower than water due to the presence of soluble constituent such as lactose, soluble salt, etc., which lowers or depress the freezing point. Freezing point of cow milk would be minus 0.547 degrees Celsius, whereas in buffalo milk minus 0.549 degrees Celsius, and for bulk milk it would be minus 0.530 degrees Celsius. The added water in milk would be lowers the freezing point of milk, and the boiling point of milk found to be 100.15 degrees Celsius. Now let us see what is platform test. It includes all those tests which are performed to check the quality of incoming milk on the receiving platform. For example, checking of organoleptic properties of milk such as smell, appearance, and also other tests include temperature, acidity, sediment, Croton boiling test, etc. Acidity of milk can be used to determine final acceptance or rejection of milk. An ethanol test can be used to check heat stability of milk. Alcohol alizarin test can also be used to check both heat stability and pH of milk. By Croton boiling test, heat stability of milk can be determined. Dye reduction tests such as methylene blue reduction test or Reis-Azurin test can be used to find the extent of bacterial contamination and the growth of microorganisms in milk, whereas direct microscopic count used to find the type of microorganism present in the milk. And both lactometer and freezing point can be used to determine the added water in milk. Now let us see the microbiology of milk. Bacteria can be classified as follows based on their optimum growth temperature. Psychrotropic bacteria can grow at refrigeration temperature, that is 5 to 7 degrees Celsius, whereas mesophilic bacteria can grow best at 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. Thermophilic bacteria can grow above 50 degrees Celsius, and maximum bacterial growth found in 15 to 38 degrees Celsius. And now let us see the different colors of milk and its causative microorganism. Blue color of milk, Pseudomonas cincinnati. Green color of milk, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. And yellow color of milk due to Pseudomonas cincinnati. Red color of milk is due to Serratia marcescens, and brown color of milk is due to Pseudomonas putrefaciens. So friends, let us end up this video by solving some MCQs. Moving on to the first question, that pasteurization dash freezing point. Here the options are increase, option B decrease, option C no effect, and option D first increase then decrease. It is found that pasteurization has no effect on freezing point, so here the option C would be the right answer. But upon boiling or sterilization of milk will cause increase in freezing point. Color change in methylene blue reduction test. Here the options are blue to colorless, blue to pink, red to colorless, and option D none of the above. Here the option A, blue to colorless, would be the right answer. Cloton boiling test used to determine. Here the options are extent of bacterial contamination, option B both heat stability and pH of milk, and option C heat stability of milk, and option D added water in milk. Here the option C heat stability of milk would be the right answer. Moving to the fourth question, Gerber method is used to determine dash in milk. Here the options are fat, option B protein, option C lactose, and option D minerals. Here the option A fat would be the right answer. So friends, this is the end of this video. I hope you find this video helpful for the upcoming food safety officer exam. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe now and enable that bell icon for the regular updation. Thank you for watching.